Hello everyone, today we're going to unbox Arlo Pro 2 security camera kit. Feel free to pause the video anytime so you can have a look at the description on the box. I think Netgear did a great job on packaging. It feels well made and sealed properly. Compared to the Arlo Pro 2 is an improvement with many features such as 1080p HD quality image, and you can create a motion detect zone on your mobile phone app. Okay, let's cut open the box and see what's inside. Okay, so this is the two cameras kit I have. There are 3 or 4 or even 4 camera set come with the box and available out there. So this is the Arlo Pro 2 camera. This is similar to the first gen cam. Silver logo on the side, about palm size, easy to adjust angle, a very rigid feel. Weatherproof, of course, rain resist, storm resist. Here is the sticker you see with the user manual. I highly suggest you go through this user manual. It helps you to set up your base station. And you will see the Arlo Cam battery very soon. It's a 2400 milliamp ones. According to long-term tests, about 3 to 6 months, your camera will need to be recharged about 2 to 3 months time, depends on how you use it. Because of its higher resolution, also it depends on how frequently you recorded the images or the footage. And soon you'll see the Ethernet and USB cables are included, so you don't need to find a spare one to support the base station. Very thoughtful, Netgear. In this box you'll find screw kits and 2 magnetic mounts. It doesn't look much, but it certainly holds the Arlo camera very well. It is a strong mount and easy to install, but remember, people might steal your Arlo camera outside, so outdoor. So when you set up these equipments outdoor, try to hang them very high so they cannot reach them. Last but not least, the base station is quite compact and light. It has a sing and a siren button on the top of it, and you will see the siren speaker at the back of the base station, the power button and cable ports. They are all at the bottom of the base station. Very nice and clean.